And welcome back in, everybody. More shoe and tell with Sam Wise. And I mean, today we just got the hottest shoes, my opinion, of the year so far. People dictate, oh, well, they're not hot as they say because they're not going for double retail.
Hey, moron! Duh! Look at me!
Alright, you're saying that you don't even have your hands on them, you don't have access, you haven't worn them. So it's pure bias. It's pure bandwagon. That validates that you hop on, go with other opinions, and you don't even have the shoe. I mean, they are just banger, banger, banger. 10 out of 10, and I'm already saying that. I haven't even pulled up the shoe. I mean, of course, the shoe is sitting right there behind me, but it is just multicolored, multi-feature, glow in the dark, changes colors when you look at it. It is the Jordan 1 High OG 1985 inspired Marvel Spider-Man times the greatest NBA player of all time, Michael Jordan. And I just don't know how you can really top this. I mean, it is absolutely ridiculous. To even want to compare these to some Jordan 5s, even to compare them to some Jordan 4s, when you actually put these on your feet, you actually see them, man, you look at some other Jordan models that we've seen this year or even seen in the past, and you're just like,
The coolest?
man's got some jokes. Those are some hilarious shoes. Because these, I mean, golly, my eyes are burning. My hands are burning. I'm holding fire in my hands. And you can go on Twitter, you can go on Reddit, you can see all the people in the reply tweets and the comments. Oh yeah, they're not reselling high, they're going for this and that on StockX. You're only making that much money. Alright, well, you're validating you're a reseller who really does not want these shoes are going based off profit. You're not even going based off your own taste, so you don't even really get good shoes. You get the shoes that other likes. So, I mean, what's the point of even getting shoes at this point? You know? Good luck with that. And it's easy excuse always when you don't have shoes. They're not going over retail. They're not selling that much. Blah, blah, blah. But, brother, when you get them in your hand, you won't say the same thing. And that's why people say it. It's just an easy out route, easy excuse. And I'm tired of the bull crap. Give me a break. Throw me a frickin' bone. Shoot me a web here. Shoot me a dead gum web. And in the box, you obviously got the red, black, and what I love about the box, on the side there, you have a 1985 Air Jordan 1. And none other than obviously the Chicago colorway. Red, black, white. And what I love, you hold it at certain angles, you get certain color changes. You know, I mean, it's ridiculous. So, literally, multi-diversity, multi-universes in the shoe, just like the movie. It's a great correlation. And greatest superhero times the greatest NBA player times the greatest shoe model equals the greatest shoe of 2023. And year 23, number 23, Michael Jordan, I mean, you just do the math. It doesn't get much better. And I just wonder if shoes had no resale price, if they were just, you know, you couldn't even resell them, I would put my money that a lot of people would actually hold these, say, yeah, I'd actually rather have these than the Travis's. But people are clout chasing, wanting all this, I got Travis's, or I get to resell these for $1,000. Brother, give me a break. They know damn well they want these in the palm of their hand. And I'm saying that because it literally is just, I believe, the shoe of the year. I don't see how you can make an Air Jordan 1 better. Some like to call it the pepperoni shoe because you got what looks like maybe a little pizza up there. But if it's the pizza, then it's a damn good pizza because pepperoni sells more than anything in the United States.
So just pizza?
And I did not hesitate. I saw what they were going for on StockX. Approximately on average $50 over. I struck. They came to me within a week. The only hassle-some part was putting the laces on, but that's on every Jordan 1 that you get. And man, once you put those laces on and you put your foot inside the shoe, it's a game changer. It's an eye-opener. Yeah, this is the best shoe that I've purchased this year so far. Absolutely no regrets, no disregards. Elite, A++. And a lot of people say, oh, well, you know, they're just fake sneakers that they sell on StockX. Well, you probably haven't bought any sneakers off StockX, so that's why they're saying that. Once again, part of the bandwagon effect, the ear to ear. You whisper here, whisper there, and then by the end of the line, you got mixed opinions, mixed emotions, and then the person just says it. They just sprout. So go based off your own opinion. Don't listen to the crowd. Don't fall into different predicaments based on somebody else's validation. It's just a big hoax. It's a big spoiler of the shoe game. But you stick to thine self truly, and you will be pleased with your purchases. Once I put these on, I mean, I had to go dribble the ball. I had to try them out because you feel that Jordan feeling. You feel professional. You feel elite heat on the feet that can't be beat. You're in the driver's seat, and it's sweet. You're just like, I want to eat Bon Appetit, mamacita. It's a good bueno. If y'all know the history, we saw early back in 2018 the other Spiderman shoe model OG highs. They were only going for about the same price, $250, and then now, I mean, we're talking about $800. So laugh all you want, but I'm sure the same things will happen with these bad boys. A couple years down the road, they'll be going for $800 to $1,000. And that is no joke. That is my honest opinion. If I had to put my money on it, that's where it'll go. But I'm going to wear these down to the core. I'm going to wear, tear, put to the test, and look good every single time they are on my feet, baby. So it's like this. In logic, people, you could have shoes that had dicks all over them, and then they could say, yo, I am a freaking loser, and I don't know what to do with my life. But if they sold over retail, people would be like, oh, that's a really dope shoe, man. I should get that.
I'm an idiot! You're an idiot!
And it's called the bandwagon effect, and I just want to be cool like everybody else. And so when you hear people say that about this shoe, that is because they could not get their hands on that, and they need a validation excuse of why they couldn't get their hands on that. Blame it on the bots, blame it on everything else, blame it on the shoe that's not cool, but promise you get it, you're going to love it. And so it is a do not miss out kind of shoe, and don't let me hear the excuses. Don't tell your friends the excuses. Just be an honest guy with honest opinions. And killer sneakers if you really want some. Unwrapping them, it's just like one of those moments when you know, you know. It's like, oh, she's the one. It's just a gut feeling. I mean, she just stole my heart over the moment I saw her, and then I tried her on. When I stuck it in, it was like, oh, man. Feels so good right now. I don't know what to do. And, man, the feeling of a champion. The feeling of 6 rings. And it feels good. Muy bien. And they were made in China. I'm sure they have others sitting in the warehouse waiting to be shipped out on Saturday. But, I mean, good luck winning. You got the release, obviously, on sneakers. And you got some coming out on feature. I'm sure a couple other websites. But leave it all to risk or buy it now on some of the other websites. It's all up to you, man. But I guarantee you it's a shoe you don't want to miss out on. It's something that is pure fire. 10 out of 10. And if you don't get it now, you're going to look years down the road and say, man, that would have been a really dope shoe to get my hands on. So my advice, strike while you can. Strike while it's not outrageously expensive. And no matter what happens to the shoe, if you love it and you love Chicago colorways and Jordan 1s, then this is the one to get of 2023. Don't let anybody's opinion dictate your own, and stick to what you love. Let me know what y'all think, because I know what I know. And it is 2023's #1 so far. Glow in the dark, 4 colors, diversities that change. And we got more coming. I don't know if we can have more like this. But Shoe and Tell with Sam Wise. Saturday, it's a war zone. And I'll be here. Let me know what goes down.